Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am excited that you're here with me. This is the look that we are doing today. It's very fast and very easy. It took me a long time to film it just because everything was failing me today, but it is a 10-minute makeup look and very easy and something that you can recreate using cool tones, super cool tones that are very in right now. They're very modern and I kind of feel that this is so my jam because I always loved cool tones, eyeshadows, lipstick, and blushes, and it's finally my time because I'm so over warm colors. Not that they're bad, but I'm just so over them. And if you are curious and if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos and push that ring bell button so you would know whenever I post, and I'm going to be so grateful and so excited that you did that, and you'll see me in the next video. Keep on watching, guys. This is me barefaced. I'm testing out my new lens. So this is probably why you can see all the imperfections on my face, pores, and everything of that sort. And now when cool tones are actually very in, I feel like this is my time and I am gonna enjoy it to the fullest. So I will be using my new palette from Tom Ford. Gorgeous, cool, nude colors, and they are shimmers, something that I don't normally do, but I'm trying to force myself to. So this particular quad is called 03 Nude Dip. Looks gorgeous on blondes. Use a little bit of foundation. Okay, I do have a little bit of tan on, so I don't need much, but I do need to neutralize whatever redness I have. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply most of my product in the center of my face with a buffing brush. I'm trying to embrace my imperfections and I don't feel like using tons of product. Okay guys, if you are gonna see me looking that way, it's just because I have a mirror over there and I want to make sure that you see everything the way I want you guys to see it. So anyways, yes, I just recently went on a trip. So Olaya is a sponsor of this beautiful tan that you are seeing. Even though I was using SPF, I still managed to get some tan. I am very happy about it. It allows me to wear much less foundation and normally even get away with, what is this? Get away with concealer only. So I'm just gonna apply just a tiny bit just to even out the skin tone, just to even out the skin tone. And I'm just gonna apply it wherever I feel like I need more coverage. I do want to cover my under eyes just a little bit. So we are using a little bit of product under my eyes and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit just to neutralize this redness that I have and I want to get rid of. So. And I'm mostly concentrating right in this triangle here and here. I don't go all the way there. I just want to concentrate on the parts where I need it most. Around my nose a little bit because I tend to, and a lot of women tend to hormonally get red around the nose, corners of the mouth, around the mouth, and in between the eyebrows. Not adding more product, but with whatever is left, I'm just gonna apply across my lid. For today's highlight, I will be using Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Moonstone. So it comes in a pump. I'm just gonna dab it. And we still haven't powdered, so it will go beautifully over foundation. You can actually use it under your foundation if you feel like it. Under foundation, over foundation, dab it onto certain points. I will be powdering, so I'm not worried about it that much. Just in the high points. Here, a little bit with whatever is left on the temples. See, it picks up the light. Make sure to dab it so it'll actually get into the skin. With whatever is left on my hand, I'm just gonna pop it on my cupid bow. And in the corners of my eye. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Okay, I'm gonna get this gorgeous minky grayish color. It's called Desperation 24/7 Glide On Pencil from Urban Decay. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it in between my lash line just to I don't want to create a wing. I just want to make sure that I do have this definition in between my eyelashes. I don't think I'm going to use a primer. I don't feel like it. I'm just going to powder my eyelids a little bit. I'll just grab my Charlotte Tilbury and I'll powder it. My eyelid all over. And I do have to powder under my brow bone because I tend to get mascara transfer, so I'll powder all of it right up to my eyebrow. How gorgeous are these colors? They're just, look at them, they're beautiful. Okay, as an all over color, I will use this grayish color right here. And I'm gonna apply all over. Oh, this is great. And I'll get the same color and I'll just pop it underneath. I'll get this rose goldy color with the same brush. I'm not gonna go fancy. And I'm just gonna apply it right here in the crease to soften everything out. Oh, these colors. And lastly, I'm gonna take this darker color and I'm gonna apply it very, very closely to my lash line. I'm gonna create more, it's gonna create more definition. It's gonna look like I have a lot of eyelashes, and it will help me to work with color, and it's gonna look that I have more elongated eyes. You can see the difference right away. And for the other eye, we're gonna do the same thing, exactly the same. Just applying this color, we're packing it on in between our lashes. And extending our eye, kind of like creating a wing. A little bit of the same color underneath on the bottom lash line right here. The other eye. And let's just blend it with the same brush that we used before. Just gonna add a tiny little bit more and blend the other eye. You know what, I'll be honest with you, this is my first time trying this palette and I already feel that it is going to be my go-to palette. I don't know, but I didn't have love for shimmers, and right now I kind of feel that I'm trying to make up for it. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and just so you would know, this video is a struggle for me because the battery died, then the SD card was full, I inserted another one, and the whole thing I had to mount it off. It was just okay. I changed it, and then the other one was full, even though it was in a container with the empty ones. So hopefully I have enough time to finish this look and you will be able to see this gorgeousness that I'm creating. Tiny little story just so you would know why the video might seem different. So I am applying tons of mascara because I am all about this clumpiness. Bottom lashes, same mascara. I will be using Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Amber. I really like this product. I think I don't use it enough. At one point I was using only creams and I was loving it. And then somehow I got into powders. And I forgot that I have this great product that I should use more because this is great. It is, the color range is amazing. So it's not just one color. You can pick any color that would work for you. This is a perfect grayish color for blondes, for light-skinned girls, because you know the struggle when you're trying to find a really good, not a bronzer, a really good contour shade, and then you still end up looking orangey or red. This one will never do that because it's super gray, and keep in mind that if you do want to look slimmer, you want to make your nose thinner, you want to make your lips a little bit bigger, you can't use bronzers, you can't use anything orangey or yellow or red based. You need something gray because our natural shadows are very gray. So this is what we are trying to mimic if we are contouring, if we are bronzing ourselves up, if we want to look more tanned. Then it's a totally different story because the tan is normally reddish, kind of yellowy and reddish. Then it's a totally different story. We're bronzing ourselves up in with the completely different products and completely different colors. With the nose, you can contour here a little bit, you know, just to make it a little bit longer and slimmer. You can put a little bit here under your nose to make it look kind of shorter. And creams are more forgiving. Right under the brow bone here. This is good. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. What I'm not happy about is the super crazy glow. I like glowy faces. I enjoy them very much, but not when they are super glowy. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna powder quite a bit. I wanna take away the shine from my chin because it's never flattering to have a glowy chin. Around my mouth and nostrils. All over my nose, in between my eyebrows and forehead, and you see it starting coming together nicely. It's more flattering. I don't go all over my cheeks, but I do apply it under my eyes and here with the triangle of the concealer that we apply. And right here. So I still want this glow to happen here. I don't want to tone it down, but I do want to appear more matte. If your skin is dry, because I have a combination oily skin, so you can probably get away with foundation and tiny little bit of powder, even no powder at all. If you're using matte, if you're using matte foundation, I need to powder because I know how it's gonna wear. I know that I need it, and I am planning to take pictures afterwards, so I know where I'm going with this look. And I know what my face needs, so this is why I'm powdering pretty heavy because I know my skin is gonna absorb this powder, and I'll probably need to have my blotting tissues with me during the day just to make sure that I am not that greasy even. I have a little bit of my NARS Orgasm blush, and I haven't used it in a very long time, and I think this is the perfect look for it. I'm just gonna apply a tiny little bit. I'm not a big fan of blushes, you know that. If you like them, go for it. I'll just apply a little bit just to bring back this youthfulness. And I do apply blush a little bit across the nose just to get this very youthful look. I feel that I want to overline as much as I can. I will be using, let's go for the pinky vibe. Let's go and use Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. So, how annoying was that to look at? Oh, Lydia. So I'm overlining my bottom lip. I'll use Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood, just a little bit, because it's gonna neutralize this pinkiness with a different kind of pinkiness. Doesn't make any sense, but you'll see. It's just more subtle. But I still want to keep them, I want to keep this look very, very fresh, very modern, very cool toned. I will be topping it off with by Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in flat white. I'm gonna start from the center. No, you know what? I think I'm gonna apply it all over. Because glosses are so in. Guys, this is it. This is a quick, easy, very cool tone and a very modern look, because as I mentioned before, the cool tones are in and I am all about that life, so I'll try to bring as many makeup looks with using cool toned eyeshadows, lipsticks and blushes, because I am loving them. So I feel like this is my time. Everyone played around with warm colors and now this is my turn. So I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me more what you want to see and I'll try to do that for you. I'll try to film as many videos as I can. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I'll try to post more videos because I don't think I'm posting enough. And until next time, stay healthy, gorgeous, and beautiful. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Okay, I had to change my lipstick because I didn't feel that that pink is okay. So what I did, I used my cool tone pencil, lipstick pencil, and I would just, you know, wipe everything off and applied more of a nude, cool tone nude lip, because this is the look. This is a really proper cool toned look, and I think I'm a queen of cool toned lips. Self-proclaimed queen of cool toned lips. You know, it's not for everybody, definitely not. Not everyone can pull off such a cool toned lipstick, but I like it. I feel like this is my thing. I enjoy it. If you are scared of tones like that, that's totally fine. You know, do the same look with a little bit of pink or nude, but you know, cool base. And this is it. Now it's done. Bye.